When you're outside, can you feel the sun on your skin? The sun is very hot. On its surface, it can reach temperatures up to 27 million degrees. It produces heat and light. People, animals, and plants need them to survive, especially light. Nothing travels faster than light. It can move at over 186,000 miles per second. It only takes 8 minutes for light from the sun to travel 93 million miles to Earth. If you were to ride on the freeway, it would take you 177 years to travel the same distance. Even though light is very fast, we can still control it. We can block it and make a shadow. Normally, light travels in a straight line, called a ray. When it passes through things like water or a prism, it bends. When this happens, the straight line of light becomes refracted. The prism catches moving light and bends it, revealing the colors hidden inside of light waves. Light has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Like a prism, a raindrop catches light and bends it, creating a beautiful arch of color after a rain. Have you ever seen a double rainbow? Well, actually, the second rainbow is just a reflection of the first. Try this experiment at home. Spray water from a hose on a sunny day. Make sure the sun is behind you and see if you can spot your own rainbow. Another example of refracted light is when you put a straw in a glass of water. It looks like it's broken because the light hitting the water bends. Sometimes light cannot pass through an object, but instead bends around it and manages to get through the tiniest of spaces. This is called diffraction. When opening a door in a dark room, diffracted light bends and finds a way to get in and spread out. Another example of this is diffraction of sunlight by clouds. It's a heavenly sight. If you want to experience diffracted light on your own, stop by the Monrovia Public Library and pick up a free pair of firework glasses. When you put them on at night, turn your head toward a light source, like a lamp. The beam of light passes through tiny lines on the lens. You'll see a dazzling array of sparkling colors and lines and dots. Move your head around to see the light dance and try to spot the 7 colors of light. Check out materials on light and light experiments from the library and light up your world.